Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 15th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and it's time now for the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 7453. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Well. And 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. That's my time limit. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. All right. We have here 2 threes. 4 fours. Okay. 1 5. 1 6. 2 sevens. 3 eights. And 4 nines. So the 2, the 4, and the 9 are a majority. Can I start with the 2? No. Cannot start with 2. Can I start with 4 then? No. Wow. Complicated. 3. No. How about the 9s then? 9. Well, need a 9 there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a pair now. The 4 and the 9 in the first column. The 4 and the 9 in the third column. So the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in the second column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. And now, need a 9 here. Okay. Need a 2 here. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the middle column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a 4 here. Well. Let me see. 1. Need a 4 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this big square, so no 4 and 8 in this box. So the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah, I need a 6. I need a 6. I need a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 4. Oh, need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Alright. Okay. 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got you the hidden number. This box can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 3 here. Hidden number 3 here, also hidden number 3. 3, 3, need a 3 there. Need 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. So, need an 8 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 1, a 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. Wait. 3 here. Come on. 6, need a 6 here. 3, 6. And need a 5 here. 3, 6. Well. How about the 1? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. See a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Wow. Digit number 1. Yeah. 7 and we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. Well. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. I marked those two boxes with a 4 and a 9. Well, we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. Okay. We need a 4 there, okay. No 9 here, no 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Okay, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 8 here. And I need an 8 here. We have a pair. The 4 and 8 in the first row. The 4 and 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Here, also 2 missing numbers. Also, no. The 2 is missing and 6 is missing. 2 and 6. Yeah. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. About these two. 6 and the 3 are missing. Nope. Well. No 6 here. Need an 8 here. No 3. No 3. Here, need a 3. No 3, need a 3 there. Oh, 1 digit left in this row for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 6, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. Here we have 2 missing numbers. Leave the 2 and the 6. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and, oh, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row. Third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row. Only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for the mod. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5. Okay. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Interesting. 8, need a 7. Need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Now only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. How about these 3? 1, 2, 3, and that. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 2, 5, and the 8. Yeah. How about these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 5, 6, and the 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. Number 5. Okay. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and 8. So now 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last, in that column. So in the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9, 9 goes here. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the first 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for the mod. I believe the 8. Yeah, 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then Let me see. 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Totally a different puzzle. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And this one is more difficult than the 4 Stars Sudoku. Although it has more numbers here, more digits, printed digits. So yeah, sometimes you can tell, and sometimes if you have more hidden numbers, more pairs, then it will be difficult and you need more time. All right, 2 numbers are left, 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the tectonic. So see you later for those 2 puzzles. Bye bye for now.